Hello all and welcome to today's video. My name is John McFall and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel where I teach you how to make $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery, and I also teach you how to make semi-passive income. In today's video, I want to talk to you about what happened during my first month of being monetized on YouTube, and I kind of want to break down for you and show you what my results were and kind of throw some information out here so that you guys can better understand YouTube and kind of show you where I'm at. And if you're interested in doing a YouTube channel, hopefully this information will help you get going and help you to get into YouTube and to get to a point where you can get monetized. Before we get into the topic, I do want to remind you that down in my description I have some great tools for you guys. The one I want to talk to you about in this video is Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy is a tool that I've used since the beginning of this channel, and I've used it on others. I'm going to throw a quick video up here so you guys can check it out.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, Tubebuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try Tubebuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
If you have or you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, Tubebuddy can really help you get more views, more likes, and more subscribers. I do want to say that if you use the link in my description and get a paid version of Tubebuddy, I do get a commission on it. However, you can use Tubebuddy for absolutely free. Once you get your channel going and it's growing, you can get into the paid version to get bigger and better tools to help your channel grow. So if you're interested, head down into my description, go grab that link and get a copy of it for yourself. And with that, let's get into the topic. So before I talk to you about my specific numbers and where I am after my first month of being monetized on YouTube, I thought I'd throw out some information to you about YouTube in general and kind of give you an overall big picture view of the number of channels and kind of the overall numbers of where people are on YouTube, so that you can get a better idea of what hitting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time means and being actually monetized on YouTube. Today, there are 51 million YouTube channels, and there are more and more channels that are started every day. Over the last year and a half or so since the pandemic started, the number of channels grew on YouTube by 36%. I actually started this channel during the pandemic. I do want to say that I also recorded my first videos. It's been about almost a year. I recorded my first videos on February 10th. I actually created 25 videos before I launched my channel and got it going. So my first 3 videos were published on March 5th of 2021. I ended up taking about 9.5 months to get monetized. I also have about 300 hours of actual work time into my YouTube channel and over 150 videos that I've created. About almost 30 of those videos are actually shorts, but my actual videos that I've put out, I created about 120 videos before I got monetized. In 2016, YouTube had about 2,000 channels that had 1 million or more subscribers on them. Jump forward to today, and that number is about 29,000. The reason that this is important for you to know is because although YouTube has been around for about 15 or so years, it is still a great thing that you can jump into and jump on this bandwagon to get money and to earn a living on if you choose to do so. It's not too late. I want to say that there are less than 80,000 channels out of that 51 million currently that have 1,000 subscribers or more. That is 0.025%. It's 1/4% of the total channels that have 1,000 subscribers or more. So it's still a platform that you can get on. It's still a platform that there is plenty of opportunity for anyone that wants to put in the time or the effort to get a YouTube channel going and get monetized on. I do want to say that 96.6% of the YouTube channels have less than 10,000 subscribers. And 84.2% have 1,000 or more subscribers. So this means that out of all the 51 million channels, I'm already in the top 15% at having more than 1,000 subscribers. You can also do this too if you want to get a YouTube channel going. You can easily get into that top 15% that has 1,000 subscribers or more. The last thing I want to say about YouTube is that when they divvy out the ad revenue that you get paid, they actually pay out 68% of the ad revenue that they bring in to the actual creator. They keep 32% for themselves and they give the creator 68%. Kind of want to ask you, where else can you go and do something where you're going to get a commission of 68%? So YouTube is a great platform. If you put in the time and the effort up front, you can actually do really well and make a lot of money because they pay a very good commission on the ads that they put onto your videos. So now I want to talk to you about my actual channel and what I've done in the first month that I have been monetized on YouTube. And I'm going to throw a couple of slides up here to show you guys. The first one I want to have you take a look at is the number of subscribers. Since my channel was monetized, I've actually increased my subscribers by 121. I was averaging before that, before I got monetized, I was averaging about 1 or 2 new subscribers a day. That was kind of what my overall average was. It went up and down, but that's kind of what the total average was that I was doing. Since I've been monetized on YouTube, that number has grown to about 4 subscribers a day, and I see that it is taking off. It's growing, and I think in the future that it will continue to go beyond that 4, and I will continue to grow my channel. In my first month, I made $70.75 on my ad revenue. And while this might not seem like a whole lot of money, the way I look at it is I am doing absolutely no more work than I was prior to being monetized to get that amount of money coming in. And that takes care of, you know, my gas bill, or it takes care of a week's worth of groceries. When it comes to food delivery, that's 2.5 to 3 hours of delivery time that I don't have to go out and actually have active time to get that money coming in doing food delivery, because it's coming in based off the passive income that I'm making off of the videos that I've got out there. So even though it doesn't seem like a whole lot for my first month, I'm really excited to have made that income. And the last thing I want to say about it is the actual videos that I have out there. Prior to being monetized, I was averaging about 150 to 200 views on my videos. There were a couple of videos that did really well, and after I got monetized, the videos that I've already put out here, a lot of them just exploded, and I've gotten a lot more views and a lot more watch time on those videos since I did get monetized. What I want to leave you with is this, I'm excited about the money that I've made on YouTube my first month, and that income is going to continue to grow as long as I continue doing what I've done over the last 9.5 months with YouTube. If you want to get a YouTube channel going and you want to make money doing YouTube, you can do it. Anybody can do it that has, I use an iPhone to record my videos. I purchased a mic for probably, I think it was about 20 bucks on Amazon, and I also invested into a video editing program called VideoPad that helps me do a little bit more than the original one I started with, which is a free one. If you want to get started, you can actually get free video editing software called OpenShot. And but my total investment into my channel up to this point has literally been $50, and that is it. So even my first month of being monetized, I've actually earned back the money that I've invested into this channel. So after that is going to be pure profit, and I do have the time involved into putting all the videos together, doing the editing, doing the research, uploading them to YouTube, spending time on my YouTube channel, communicating with my subscribers. Yes, I do have a lot of time involved, and you know, right now I've made literally about 50 cents a video, but the thing about YouTube is those videos are always going to be there, and they will always continue to generate revenue as people get to them and watch them. I will continue to make revenue on those videos, and as long as I keep on the path that I'm going, my channel will continue to grow, and that $75 a month or $70 a month that I got the first month is going to continue to increase. So if you're really interested in starting a YouTube channel, jump into it, because you can be in the top 15% of all the YouTube channels out there within, you know, 6 months to a year, and get monetized and start making money at it if you just put the time and the effort into it up front. The biggest reason that channels do not get monetized, do not hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, is because they don't do what is required to get there. You have got to set up your channel the right way to get it off the ground, which is by producing content, and you have to continue to put that content out there consistently and stay with that schedule and teach people the things that you want to teach them, or entertain people. And if you do this, you can grow a channel yourself, and you can start making money on YouTube. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and got a lot out of it. Getting monetized on YouTube is not hard. It takes a lot of work up front over a course of 6 months to a year to get there, and then once you get there, as long as you continue to do what your subscribers expect, you can continue to grow that channel and to get more subscribers. So if you want to get into YouTube, jump into it right now and start putting the videos out and start learning what you need to know to get better at it. When I first started, I did not have very many editing skills. The videos I put out today are probably 100 times better than what I originally started out with, and I've still got a ton to learn about editing. However, I put the videos out there so I could get my face in front of people like you, so I could grow my channel, and as my skills grow, you know, I'm hoping that I'll get more subscribers and I'll get more watch time and my videos will do better. But it is a process that you have to go through and learn what you need to get the content out in front of people. But if you don't ever start and put that content out there in the first place, you'll never get anywhere with it. So I want to remind you, head down into my description and go grab a copy of Tubebuddy for yourself if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel or you have one. I've got some other great tools down there. One of them I want to mention is Bluehost. If you are wanting to start a website, Bluehost is a great place that you can do it because they charge only $3 to $5 a month to get your website going. So go grab that link down there if you're interested in it. I want to ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel, and I want to leave you with, I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.